Hello fellow traders, Paul Lomo, Bitcoin Trading Club, and got another stock here for you. This is coming off the bottom. Pretty good looking stock, some good cycle setups on it. Let's go ahead and break them down. The first cycle in the cup, coming off of the IPO back in 2023, was a TM-3 cycle, 5 to 7 month cycle, and then we got down, basically bottomed in that $2 area and popped a TY1 cycle. It's 1.5 year cycle. Broke out, slight retest into it, and then took off again, about a 2.4 BMI to set Cat 3. So as far as price squeeze, you had a price squeeze coming in off of the second cat line. So you had the lows here were not violated on a close on the Cat 2 cycle, TY1. So basically held above those Cat 1 lows. And now you get the pullback off of the Cat 3 TM-7 cycle. It's a 27 to 33 month cycle. And a little bit of a deep retrace, but it's in a forgiving price zone. And what we're looking for now, if you were scaling in, you'd be in part 1 based on a 5, 10, 25 day breakout, third. So right there is 5, about right there is 10, and you need a few more days pullback to get a breakout of a 25-day high. You'd be in 3 parts, probably average in that 575 area or so. But this looks good for, if you can, this is a pretty solid bar right here coming off that $5 PPP. So if you get a nice couple of days pullback with some lower wicking on the daily, and then a breakout of that trend line, should be good. This is TD6 cycle. It's a 1 month cycle. So, 2 to 4 bars back inside of this would be good. Pop that high right there. You'd be a 25-day high or so. Now you can see where the psychological price points held the price. So once we get a breakout of a $3 PPP, just retest it slightly into that. Got the breakout of the 750 PPP and came back, retested below the $5 PPP, but popped it pretty quickly. So this next pullback should be targeting above the $5 PPP, maybe 510 to 550, somewhere in there potentially. But we may get a shallow pullback, maybe not far back into that big power bar right there. So let's look at some price targets based on cycles. Okay, here's some price targets based off the cycles on the breakout. We have a TM3, it's a 5 to 7 month cycle off of lows, and north channel of that is around close to $10. And if we hit the X channel, it's around 13 to 14 bucks. That would be 100% plus of a hit it. TM3 2X, $17 plus. If we get a little pullback into that $6 area and pop that, could be a 200% gain to that. And this is blue sky territory once we get above that, so it could be like the wind behind its sails. So this again has good momentum going into this break of the 750 PPP. If we can get outside of this TD6 pullback and then that TM7 cycle line, this thing could fly. It's in the electronic components sector. Don't know what's driving it, but you might want to peek under the hood, see if there's some clear dates on any particular news pending on it for a potential breakout after this pullback. So look at that. Also, let's look at the stock rating here. Okay, stock rating on ELVA. Again, this is a TM7 cycle trade, 2.4 BMI, vector of 1. Risk profile C. Rating again is a C-86. And the current market rating is A+ right now. Market looking pretty good. And if we can get a breakout of the stock with the market forces behind it, this thing could make some moves. So keep an eye on it. This again is ELVA, ELVA Electrovaya Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.